Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about another ad format, which is going to be conversation ads. Conversation ads are another ad format which we can build on the LinkedIn ads platform, where we can target our customers via the LinkedIn messaging. And this ad appears on both desktop and mobile devices. So this is a kind of an ad format where we are going to reach out to our targeted users and strike a conversation with them, where we start giving them some initial information and then give them choices to visit our website, or they can ask us some information. So we can have a conversation with them and get some interaction from them. And in this way, we are able to describe about our products and services to our customers. Now, there can be some users who might respond to those, and then we'll give them further more information. And eventually, we can ask them to fill up a form to generate a lead or visit our website and check out our products and services. So this kind of a ad format really helps to strike a conversation, strike a particular connection with the users, where you are having a conversation with them and providing information about your business and your products and services. So this is also something which you can absolutely experiment with and try and see for yourself what kind of engagement you can generate with the help of conversation ads. In the coming videos, we'll see how to build out this kind of an ad as well with the help of a campaign. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.